How to install Spotify Snap in Debian-like system with Ansible. I'm going to show you a live demo with some simple Ansible code. I'm Luca Burton and welcome in today's episode of Ansible Pilot. Today we are going to talk about Ansible module Snap. The full name is community.general.snap and is part of community.general collection or module maintained by Ansible community. The purpose of Snap module obviously is to manage snaps in the target system. The parameter of the Snap module. Let me summarize. The only required is name, where you specify the Snap name to install or remove. The parameter state specify if you would like to perform the install action option present or the remove action option absent. The parameter channel specify which channel to use, default to stable, but you can go to some unstable branch as well. The parameter classic allow the confinement of a Snap to have the same level of access to a system as a classic packages. Demo time. Let's have fun together and see how to install Spotify Snap in Debian-like system with Ansible Playbook. Wait a minute, where could you find the list of available Snap? Go directly to snapcraft.io and you can have the full complete App Store for Linux. You can browse the full catalog or also filter by type, the development, games, social, productivity, utility, the photo and video, server and cloud. As you can see, the catalog is pretty huge. I'm always surprised by how many new projects join this technology. It is very interesting to take a look or maybe directly search for what we need. In our case, we would like to find Spotify, the famous music service, and as you can see, there is the latest version is 1.1.77 and we are going to install with Ansible. Welcome to my editor. Let's begin our playbook to install Spotify Snap in Debian-like system. First of all, let's start with the name of our play, Snap module demo. That is going to be executed against host all of my inventory. I need root privilege, so let me set become to true. And what else? Gather facts to false, because I don't need to acquire system information with target host. The task list, okay. First of all, let's verify that snapd, the tool to install Snap, is present on our target machine using Ansible built-in.apt, that is the package manager of Debian-like system. The name of the package is snapd and the state must be present on the target machine. Now finally we can install our Snap. Install Spotify via Snap. I'm going to use community.general. This is the name of a collection and the module is Snap. Again, let's specify the name of the Snap, Spotify is the same name that we acquired from the website, and the state will be, what I'm typing, present. As you can see, in a few lines of code, I'm able to connect to the target machine, set up the snapd, the utility to manage snaps, and download Spotify via Snap, the latest version. One plus thing, Snap update automatically. Welcome to my terminal. First of all, let me connect via SSH. DevOps is the username, and Ubuntu 2110.example.com is my machine. I could execute this command by the normal user, so let me use a snap -- version that will print it out some information about the running utility. But the most important thing is snap list to list the current installed snap, and there is no Spotify. So how could we set up? Yes, we can do manually, but the best way is to use Ansible to automate for us. So let me disconnect and execute my playbook with Ansible -playbook. Let me specify my inventory file. Here we go, and then the playbook to be executed. The execution will be pretty fast. It depends by the performance of your target machine and as well by the network connection. As you can see, there is already one OK status on the first task, snapd present. We already verified that this utility was present on the target machine, so no need to install. And now Snap is downloading and installing the Spotify Snap. So let's wait just a few more seconds and everything will be ready to use like magic. Behind the scene, Ansible is taking care of all the necessary steps. The execution will finish with one change status, which means some operations were performed on the target machine. So this is the real execution time on my machine. As you can see, the download is taking a while. And here we are, we have a change status. What happens if we execute again? We get OK status, which means this module is idempotent. Let's verify together the situation on the target machine via SSH DevOps username Ubuntu 2110. This time snap list is going to list more container app, and there is also Spotify 1.1.77 as expected. And yeah, good job Ansible. Completely automated, we didn't do nothing and is ready to have fun. Last things, let's connect to my demo machine and verify if Spotify really works. So this is my Ubuntu machine, and browsing from the application I can find it out. Spotify, as you can see, look like a native application. Only when you run it is going to take just a little bit more time, because it need to load all the library from the snap. And the look and feel remind you the software in our platform. And as you can see, after starting up, everything is ready to have fun. So insert your username, password, and start to listen your music. Yay! Now you know how to install a snap in Debian-like system with Ansible. This example was with Spotify Snap, but you can adapt as you need. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, write me a comment, and in general, keep in touch with me. See us on the next IT adventure of Ansible Pilot and have a great day! This video is part of our Ansible automation program. Sign up today on www.ansiblepilot.com for uninterrupted exclusive video and so much fun!